Teacher, you need a bath. Shall we give you a bath? What do you think? You need a wash. Come on, let's go. Chicha absolutely hates having a bath. As soon as we get into the toilet, she's gonna know. Oh my God. She's like, no, it's happening. It's happening. It's okay. You'll be fine. She looks like a proper drowned rat now, living up to that Chihuahua stereotype. I absolutely love these towels because they don't take up too much space in my cupboard, but they've got these little like pockets so we can really easily use them as gloves and dry her off because she absolutely hates being wet. Are you mad at me? How mad are you? By the way, guys, Chihuahuas shake like this, like anytime there's any emotion. Happy, angry, scared, excited, they shake like this. Exhibit A. It's called drama. It's called drama. Oh, you little baby. You poor little thing. You're so hard done by, aren't you? Aren't you? Let's give you a blow dry. We need to give you a blow dry. Don't we? We need to give you a blow dry. Should we give you a blow dry? Shall we? We need to finish the blow dry. Mom, come here. Come here. Good girl. A prime floof. Chicha, are you mad at me? Chicha, how mad are you at me? I'm sorry.